What did you find? A nice big bed? Here. A bunch of dogs have been on it. It's not fresh out of the bath. Please don't pee-pee on the bed. Is that scary? Are you on a big mountain? Oops. Oh, you're gonna eat it. That one's gonna eat it. Shh. Come on.
Now they're making their own fun.
Yeah.
I'm only going to 3 minutes. I'm only going to 3 minutes.
Okay.
Hi, babies. Hi. Oh, are you so cute? Are you so cute? That's right. You're so cute and big and fat and blocky. You got a big blocky head.